How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're getting the exhaust installed. So we take a step inside the car. We have the pipes and the X pipe back here, and then we come and open up the rear over here. The car is really dirty. We have the mufflers, the tips right here with all the proper bolting and stuff like that. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna get the final cold start up that's stock, and then we'll put the exhaust on and see how it sounds with the Roush exhaust. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like 3 weeks now. So basically how this is gonna work is I think I'm gonna head over to my friend's house and attempt to put it on ourselves. If we run into any issues, then I guess we'll go to a shop and fix everything. But it's gonna be on today and I'm excited for it. I'm not gonna go through and show all the steps of me unbolting everything and stuff like that, just because there's videos on YouTube of already professional people who have gone through and explained it with a lift and everything. I'm probably gonna do it on jack stands or just jacked up or something. So there's literally no point in me showing the process. I'm just gonna pick it back up once the exhaust is on the car. Then I have a couple clips comparing the stock versus the Roush system, so stay tuned for that. The only comparison you won't see in this video is probably the cold startup with the Roush exhaust, because the car is just not going to be cold and I want to get this video out the day I filmed it, so stay tuned. I'll probably post the stock versus the Roush exhaust cold startups tomorrow morning, so you don't have to wait too long for that, but it'll be out after this video, just so you guys know. But I'll compare like revving clips. I've got some flyby shots and some launch clips, so we'll compare all of that, and as well as interior clips from the other day. So yeah, excited for this, but I'll pick it up once the exhaust is on the car. Alright, so I just started the car up for the first time. The seatbelt's all the way back. Okay, first impressions. I gotta roll my windows up. I've been driving it for like 30 seconds. This exhaust sounds so good. Downshift right here. Oh, this is so hype. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I'm gonna get home and then I'm gonna film some proper clips for you guys. But this, I love this already. So I know I revved it a little bit more in the stock clip, but I just felt bad because of how loud this car is, and there was people outside, so I still went as hard as I did, maybe a little bit softer on the throttle when I went away, but the revs I went all the way for a little bit, but I didn't want to do more just because of how loud this car is now. But it sounds so much better. I mean, I'll tell you guys, like, you know, in a couple weeks, like, what I think about driving it on a daily basis, because I drive this car every day. It's changed the way this car drives. Like, this car is so much more spirited and alive now. And before it sounded great, it was just a low rumble, but now it's, like, sharp, and it has a really nice tone to it. I love this exhaust already. That's pretty much it. I'll give you guys some more rev clips, but I gotta move, and then we'll call it a video. I think, you know, I think it sounds insane. I'm not sure. I'm kind of forgetting what's all in this video because, but yeah, just enjoy some more flyby shots, a little bit more comparisons. I did take a flyby of this car, probably like couple days after I bought it, so about a month ago. So enjoy those, and I'll do some more flybys for the aftermarket system, but I'm loving it so far. Other than that, I don't have anything else, so make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like on this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cold startup will be tomorrow, so I can't do one right now because the car's obviously warm, and by the time it's going to get cold, it's going to be either really late at night or it's just going to be pitch dark, and there's no point, and I don't want to upset my neighbors on the first day. But a lot of new content coming soon. First mod is done. I'm very hyped for this, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'll see you guys next time, and enjoy these sound clips.